Hi students, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and whatever videos you want means you comment for me. Okay. In this video, I discussing about second PUC statistics and 1 marks and 2 marks most important questions for your board exam. But how many questions are there in this video? But these all questions very important for your board exams. Okay, let's start the video now. First question is question and with answers. Okay, both also I discussing with you. State merits and demerits of moving average method. Answer is merits. It is simple to understand. B1, it is more flexible than any other methods. Demerits, no trend values in the beginning and in the end. B1, choice of period of moving average is difficult. Second question, defined interpolation and explosion. Answer, interpolation is the technique of estimating the value of the defining variable and for any intermediate value of the independent variable. Exploration is the technique of estimating the value of the for any value of the independent variable which is the outside series. Next question is third question. What is the discrete probability and distribution and continuous probability and distribution? Answer is the probability and distribution of a discrete and random variable is known as discrete probability distribution. The probability and distribution of continuous and random variable is known as contributions and probability and distribution. But these are questions is very important, but only most important questions only I discussing about this video. Please and must watch up to end. Okay, next fourth one, define Bernoulli and distribution. Answer is random variable x is said to follow and Bernoulli and distribution if its PM is given by. Okay, next define and binomial and distribution and random and variable x is said to follow in binomial distribution. Next define and position and distribution. A random variable x is said to follow in position distribution if its PM is given by. And define geometric and distribution. A random variable x is said to follow hyper geometric distribution if its p is given by. Next, define normal distribution. A random variable x is said to follow normal and distribution if its PDF is given by. Next, mention the pictures of Bernoulli and distribution. The parameters is a p. B1 mean is equal to p and variance is equal to pq. Mention the pictures of Bernoulli distribution. Next, 11th one. Mention the pictures of position and distribution. Answer is the parameters mean and variance are equal. Mention the pictures of normal distribution. The normal curve is bell shaped. Mean, median, mode is equal to u. The distribution is mesquteric and the total area under the curve is 1. The normal distribution has only one made. Next, 31. Mention the pictures of hypergeometric and distribution. Answer is A. The parameters are a, b and n. Mean is equal to na bracket a plus b bracket complete. Variance and is equal to name. Next question. Mention the pictures of G and square distribution. Answer is the parameter is an mean is equal to n, variance and is equal to 2n, and mode is equal to n minus 2n2. Mention the pictures of t distribution, variance, and it is a symmetrical mean, median, and mode. Next, define statics. Answer is a function of the simple values is called statics. Define sampling in distribution. The distribution of the values of a statics for different simple of same size is called sampling distribution. Define standard error. The standard deviation and of the sampling and distribution is known as standard error. Mention two branches of statistical interference. And next, what is estimation? A method of obtaining the most likely value of the population using statistics is called estimation. Define estimator. Any statistics which is used to estimate an unknown parameters is called an estimator. What is an estimator? An estimate is the most likely value of the unknown and parameter. Next one is define confidence interval. Answer, an interval which is proposed to contain the unknown parameter is called confidence interval. Define confidence and coefficient. The probability that the confidence interval contains an unknown and parameters is called confidence in define confidence limits. The boundary values of confidence and interval are and confidence and limits. Define statistical hypothesis. Statistical hypothesis is a statement regarding the parameters of the population. Different between and alternative hypothesis. Okay, next, define level of significance. Maximize and size of the test is called level of significance. What is size of the test? What is power of the test? Means what is size of the test? The probability of rejecting and when it is true is called size of the test. And what is power of the test? The probability of rejecting the when it is not true is called power of a test. What is critical reason and accepting reason? Critical reason is the set of those values of the test statistics when leads to rejectance null hypothesis. Next, define statistical quality control. It is the method of collecting the quality of the products using statistical techniques. What is acceptance sampling a product control? The manufactured lot will be accepted after inspection of confirmation of the quality standards. Two types are single sampling and plan and double sampling plan. Okay, next, what is variable and attribute? And answer, measurable quality and characteristics which varies from unit to unit is called a variable. Qualitative characteristics which cannot be measured and can only be identification, its presence or absence is called an attribute. Okay, next, what is SSP and DSP? Answer, in a single sampling plan, the decision about accepting or rejecting the lot is based on one sample only. In a double sampling plan, the decision about accepting or rejecting the lot is based on two samples. That is very important. What is SSP and DSP? Next question, define feasible solution. Any solution to a general LPP which stratifies the non and negativity and restriction is called a feasible solution to the LPP. What is unbounded solution? In case of maximization problem when the LLP and does not possess a finite optimum. What is no solution? When an LPP has no possible reason, it is said to have no solution. What is multiple optimal solution? When there exists more than one possible solution having the same optimal value for the objective and function, then LPP is said to have multiple and alternative optimal solution. And next question is, it is very important. Define degenerate and non-degenerate and solution. When the number of positive allocations in any basic possible solution is less than, then the solution is said to be a degenerate solution. When the number of positive and allocations in any basic possible solution is equal to m plus n minus 1, then the solution is said to be non-degenerate solution. Next, 47. When is a transportation problem said to be balanced? Answer: when the sum of supply is equal to the sum of requirement, then the transportation problem is said to be balanced. Next, state the properties of competitive. There are finite number of competitors called players. Each player has finite number of courses of action. A game is said to be played when each player chooses one of his course of action available to him. These choices are assumed to be simultaneous. Defend the n-person game and two-person game. A game with participants is called n-person game. Define strategy and mention its types. Answer: the strategy a player is the and determined and rule by which player determines his course of action. There are two types of strategy: pure strategy, mixed strategy. And what is a zero sum game and two-person zero sum game? A game in which sum of points of the players is zero is called zero sum game. A game with two players in which the gain of one player is the loss of the player is called two-person zero sum game. Next, define saddle point and a fair game. The position in the Puyop and matrix where and maximum and coincides with maximum is called saddle point. A game is said to be fair game if the value of the game is and 0. And next question is 53. Question number 53. What is value of the game? The value and the saddle point is called the value of the game. 54. Question number 54. What is replacement theory? State the need of replacement theory. Replacement theory and deals with the problem of deciding the age at which an item and which determinates and with time has to be replaced by a new one. The need for replacement or the item that became insufficient with the time. It requires more and maintenance cost. Some items suddenly files a better or more efficient design. What is inventory? Inventory and is the physical stock of goods for future use. Next, define stock. Define stock and replacement and lead time. The quantity of goods acquired in one replacement in order to maintain to certain level of inventory is known as stock replacement. The time gap between placing. Next question, define the two variables of inventory problem. And first answer is the variables